Hello, I'm Micks Mowers, the Mower Man, and welcome to my channel. And today's video is day 3, I think, of the kitchen upgrade that we're having done through Wickes. They're doing it. So let's pop indoors and see what we've actually been doing. And oh, hi Nana.
Hi.
What are you up to?
Gonna get pudding.
You having the pudding?
Yeah.
What pudding are you having? What have you
Lemon.
got? Eh?
Lemon.
Lemon?
Lemon.
Oh, a lemon cheesecake is what you mean. You don't just mean lemon.
Cheesecake.
Lemon cheesecake. Oh, very nice. Are you enjoying the kitchen experience?
With me?
Yeah.
With them. Oh.
You?
Oh, lovely, yeah.
Lovely.
Best ever.
All right. Right, let's have a little look then. Let's see what we've got today.
You're wearing pink.
I'm going ping. This is my phone, it's no problem. I'll sort that out. Yes, darling.
Just have the tumble drying.
Yeah, sort it out. Give me let me do this video and I'll sort that out. No drama. Right, so update. I think this is update 3, video 4, because we had the first initial video, which was just literally telling you we're having the kitchen done. Now, there's currently no lighting in the kitchen at all. No lighting, because it's all been taken out. So the lighting's quite poor today because of that reason. So today, Simon came in, the kitchen fitter, with Mark, his electrician, and it's mainly been preparation for plastering and electrics today. That's the main thing that's happened. So let me talk you through that. Let me show you what we've had done. So first thing, we'll start over here where Nana is. Nana's just busy doing the washing. Nana, your butt's hanging out. This socket here was taken out and moved over because the cupboard is going to come to about this line here. Well, it is that line. That will be cupboards and fridges, and then that will be worktop space. So these two are going to be central to the worktop space. The socket used to live up here, but it's now dropped back down in line with that one there. So all my sockets now will be at the same height, if that makes sense, and that goes for the bottom ones too. So that's been done. So we had to get a cable, bring that down, and then because we're having another plug socket over here, which has now been reinstated, which is this one here. He wasn't sure. The cable originally came from up above, so he's had to chase that cable down into the floor, under the floorboards. It went round the back of the chimney breast, with a bit of cupboard in there, you won't see that, round the back of there, and now linked that up into that socket there. Okay, so now we'll have 2 sockets, so that when you come into the kitchen via either the dining room or the hallway, you can turn a light on there, come and get a cup of tea, go into that room and turn the light off there. So that works. So that's good. That's been done. And also we've got some lighting here. That'll be the lighting for the under cupboard electrics. And then some more down there somewhere. I think it's that one will be for the LED lighting. We then had to bring the lighting from that switch there down under this floor, pulled it out here. That's where it's come out from, just down there. And we've now got LED lighting down the bottom. And we've also got new sockets there. This old socket, this one here, was over here. That's now been moved. So that's all in line. And then also got these lights here, which would be for the under the worktop lighting there as well. So that's been done. And the last one was just had the cables, once they come across, power cables now come down through here, round here, and that'll be all the electrics down there, which will come up here eventually. There'll be a socket on the wall here, which will be for the cooker, double oven, and microwave as well. So that's done. So pretty much all the electrics have been done. A little bit of patchwork up on the ceiling, that light there and that light there. They had a little tiny hole there. So they've both been patched up, so when the lights go back on, that'll all be covered. That's good. The other thing he'd done was had a socket down here, which is an old-fashioned one. So he's taken that out, cut a hole in the wall, and pushed it in, so we'll have a nice new socket in there as well. So that'd be nice. So that's all done. That's good. We've had the pipe work all finished off there because when my mate Ashley, who's actually my plumber, when he turned up and fitted the new radiator, which has since been removed because of the kitchen, we had the pipes there, and we've now decided we'll have them boxed in. So Simon just got some plasterboard there, a bit of batten, and he's just done that, and they're plaster that. So that'll be hidden behind there, you won't see any of that. Most of these plug sockets here, all around the kitchen, most of them you'll see will actually be like a brushed bronze, for another word, with USB connections as well. So they'll be fitting white sockets originally just to get them on, get them working. And then when we sort out the kitchen properly, I'll come back and just fit the sockets myself and just put the ones we want. But we're all matchy. So I need to make sure we have a good supplier that can supply 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sockets, something like that, and all different variants. So that's that. Simon's been busy also today with prepping the kitchen for a second coat of PVA, and he's also been where the electrician's been chasing cables. He's just been put a little bit of plaster in behind the duct in there, and then he just PVA'd all the walls. So that's all done. So now tomorrow we're ready for the water to be sorted out, which will be new stopcock and move the pipe in and remove that that restricted valve. I've got a new stopcock over there to go on. So that'll be done, and then I think it's going to be possibly laying the floor, which would be plywood, 9mm plyboard, OSB board, not OSB, 9mm marine ply, down the whole floor before the plasters come in. So the floor will be ready. So as soon as the plasters are done and we're level with the skirting board and what have you, we can then let that dry the weekend and go from there. The only one concern I had was this chimney breast here. I did say to Simon when he went to mark it all up for make sure the sockets all square, this wall on this chimney breast is really drunk. So we're gonna, when they plaster it, put new edges on and just true it up with lasers or whatever, make that look all pretty. So yeah, all in all, today was a good day. The Sparky was here from 8 o'clock in the morning. He got here, same as Simon. 8 o'clock, and they left about 3 o'clock, 3:30, something like that. And the Sparky, Mark his name is, he worked like, I've nicknamed him the Roadrunner. He was flat out all day, so he's done all of that in about 6 or 7 hours, chasing cables, ripping floorboards up, doing all the electrics, and a socket over here too. There's a socket over here, of which we don't know what it was. No idea. There's a socket there. It had a light switch on it. No idea. Don't know. And so that's that. That's been. He's made it safe, and he's now buried it in the wall cavity. So that's gone. And then there's a couple more bits here. Mark's going to do. Simon, sorry. This is wood, and he's going to put a bit of plasterboard on there so we can plaster it. It's just a retaining structure or part of the structure for the framework for the stairs. That's all it is. And he'll put a piece on there, a bit of plasterboard there, so that'll all be plastered up and you won't see any of it. It's all been treated, it'll look great. These will have new architraves on there and new doors and whatever, so it's been a busy old day. So that's that. So tomorrow, as I say, flooring tomorrow, and then I think we're just doing water stuff, and then it'll be snagging jobs just literally for the getting ready for the plasterers. So I'm not sure if anything's going to happen Thursday because Simon might be up to date, but he has got to go through at some point and check pretty much every single panel, cupboard, door, make sure it's here, present and correct, sign it all off and make sure that there's no damage to the actual panels. Because if there's any damage to any panels, now's the time to say, look, that's broken, send it back and get a new one in. So that's where we are. So this is day 3 of the Wickes' kitchen install. I've just replumbed up the washing machine one more time. I'm going to need to get a tumble dryer out in a minute too. I just dropped that on my toe last night. So we are literally, got one socket that's live. I specifically asked for that, so they left me a socket, and my washing machine's been I just plumbed it in temporarily again. So we've got 2 or 3 loads to do tonight, and that's all the washing done. We're getting them all tumbled, done, and there's just no laundrette, which is one of the things we just didn't want to do. So yeah, that's good. So Riley boy's currently upstairs in the bath. Mrs. P is not very well. Nana's in her room. So there you go. Quick little video for you on day 3 of Wickes' installation. I'm not affiliated, they're not paying me, none of that. I bought my own kitchen, but I just want to do a little video on the installation process, what to expect, and go from there. So tomorrow will be day 4. I don't know, 10-minute video, and you'll see that in a little while. And yeah, before you know it, the kitchen will be here. So I reckon by Monday, today is Tuesday, day 2. By Monday next week, we'll be starting to have the kitchen installed with bits going in. So that'd be great, because we've got a bit of room out off the stairs back and a bit of room out of there back, and we start to have a bit of normality. But yeah, I reckon by week 2, end of week 2, we should see some really good progress. So I'll bring you back tomorrow and let you know what the guys have been up to, and then we'll go from there. If this is the first time you're watching Micks Mowers and Mower Man, then hit the subscribe button, not whack the old bell. Set notifications to all, that way you'll be told next time I upload another video. And apart from that, don't forget, guys and girls, much more importantly, take it easy.